Hi everyone, welcome back to Techwhiz. Changing your YouTube channel name is super simple, just follow these easy steps to do it. Go to youtube.com in your computer's web browser. This will take you to the YouTube homepage. Now click your profile icon in the top right corner. Now click YouTube Studio. Click on Customization. Now go to the Basic Info section. Type a new name for your YouTube channel. You can change your name twice in 14 days. Click on Publish. Open the YouTube app on your mobile. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now click on your channel. Tap on this little pencil icon. Tap on the Name section. Enter a new name for your YouTube channel. Now click on Save.